Binance versus MetaMask. Which crypto wallet is better? Choosing the right crypto wallet can completely change how you manage and secure your digital assets without unnecessary complexity. Binance offers exchange integration, while MetaMask focuses on decentralized app access. Binance and MetaMask are two popular crypto wallets with distinct purposes. Binance is primarily an exchange wallet with built-in trading features, whereas MetaMask is a decentralized wallet designed for seamless interaction with blockchain applications and smart contracts. Binance Wallet is a custodial wallet integrated within the Binance Exchange platform. It allows users to store, send, and receive a wide range of cryptocurrencies directly on Binance. The wallet works by linking your account to Binance's secure infrastructure, simplifying asset management and enabling instant trading without transferring funds externally. Its strengths include high liquidity, access to advanced trading tools, and robust security measures provided by Binance's infrastructure. However, as a custodial wallet, users do not have full control over their private keys, which means Binance holds custody of assets. This can be a limitation for those prioritizing self-sovereignty. Binance Wallet is ideal for users who want a straightforward way to trade and manage multiple cryptocurrencies within a single platform, especially beginners or active traders who value convenience and integrated services. For those seeking full control and decentralized access, alternative wallets might be more suitable. MetaMask is a non-custodial, decentralized wallet, primarily used as a browser extension and mobile app to interact with Ethereum and compatible blockchains. It works by generating and storing private keys locally on the user's device, giving complete control over assets. MetaMask supports sending, receiving, and storing tokens, but its standout feature is seamless access to decentralized applications, including DeFi platforms and NFTs. Its strengths lie in privacy, security, and flexibility, allowing users to connect directly to blockchain networks without intermediaries. However, this control comes with responsibility. Users must securely manage their private keys and seed phrases to avoid loss of funds. MetaMask does not offer built-in exchange services, so users need to use third-party decentralized exchanges or bridges for token swaps. It is ideal for experienced users who prioritize decentralization and want to engage with the broader Ethereum ecosystem, including developers and DeFi enthusiasts. Binance Wallet and MetaMask serve different crypto needs. Binance excels for users focused on trading and managing assets within a centralized platform, offering ease of use and integrated exchange features. For example, a trader can quickly buy, sell, or stake tokens without leaving the wallet interface. On the other hand, MetaMask is tailored for users who want full control over their private keys and direct interaction with decentralized apps. A DeFi user can connect MetaMask to multiple protocols for lending or yield farming securely. The trade-off is between convenience and control. Binance Wallet offers simplicity and liquidity, but at the cost of custody, while MetaMask provides decentralization and flexibility but requires careful key management. Choosing depends on whether you prioritize integrated trading or decentralized blockchain access. Choose Binance Wallet if you want a user-friendly, all-in-one platform for trading and managing crypto assets without the complexity of key management. MetaMask is the better choice for users seeking full control, privacy, and decentralized application access. It empowers you to engage deeply with blockchain ecosystems while maintaining ownership of your keys. Pick MetaMask to unlock the true potential of decentralized finance and Web3.